quite different. You can see the flying cars, but other people also. Let's do something interesting. Let's change these shoes. Change shoes color to red. How are you doing, my beautiful friends? This is Kautilya. In this video, let's talk about most awaited update from the Flux, and it's Flux point 1 context. So let's quickly get an overview, and then we will dive in straight into action, because this video is about how well this AI is, how well this image generator is, and what we can do, what interesting things we can do it. And stay tuned. The main part is in the action. So introducing Flux point 1 context, the Black Forest Lab playground. So you can see they're showing the examples of their functionality. In this picture, they take this picture as a context, and of course they have given a command. In this picture, you can see a bird is wearing a virtual, device, a VR headset, which is already a very interesting picture. And in this picture, image context from A they took, and with this command, the bird is now sitting in a bar and enjoying a beer. So they took this image as a context with this prompt, and the result is this interesting, that this same word is having a beer in a bar. So this word is exactly the same VR headset, just drastically different environment area, and you can see how amazingly beautifully it edited this picture. I haven't seen any image generator which added a picture so beautifully. I've tried many times with the GPT image generation, but it changes faces, it changes something. But you can see it doesn't change anything. In Flux point one context, they have two kind of model, Pro model and Max model. So as a part of the Flux point one context suite, we are bringing the new in context image model. Okay, so Flux point one context Pro, a pioneer for fast iterative image editing. So basically, this is their fast model, which takes less expensive, it use less credits, and it's fast model. And they have also this Max model, which is maximum performance at high speed. Our new experimental model greatly improves prompt adherence and typography generation. So the Max model is good for following the prompt details adherence and typography generations. So this is more accurate, more high quality model compared to Pro model. And of course, it uses more of credits too. As far as the parameters you talk about, Flux point one context DEV, which is not available. Dev model is actually you can run locally, so that's why this is dev model. So character preservance, first number, the topper is Flux point one context, second is Flux context Max, and followed by the Pro, and after that the Gen 4, which is of course GPT. And you can see the other parameters. I'm not going to deep dive into that. Flux point one context Pro tops in the speed, criteria. It generates the fastest image in 2.9 seconds. If we compare this to GPT image generation, which is like, of course, the slowest, if we talk about only speed, then it's like 54 second it generated. So you can see the difference in both. So as you can see, what kind of editing, what kind of results it can generate. A lady is standing and looking away from the camera, and you can see in the middle, we give a prompt, add it from input, tilt her head towards the camera, and you can see she is now looking at the camera, and it's the same person, same body type, same scenario, everything is same. And in this picture, she's laughing while looking at the camera, make her laugh, and you can see what's the results, how beautifully it edited. It's like same person. In this scene, you can see the typography editing creativity of this model. As you can see, In this original picture, this app, you had me at beer, and we, prompted it. I mean, the team or someone prompted it. Edit from input. Change the you had me at a beer to you had me at a context. Seamlessly it edited you had me at a context. And third, change the setting to a nightclub. And this same settings is transported into a nightclub. So pretty much interesting. So let's dive into the action, how well it is. For you, I have created a document in which I have prepared three kind of prompts to test any image generator, that how well they perform. So prompt number one will be simple prompt, beginner friendly, so that we'll see that how it will come up with the simple prompts. Prompt number two is a moderate prompt. Number three is a complex multi-layered prompt to really see capabilities. So I think let's start with this simple prompt. What's this? It's a photorealistic image of cozy coffee shop in Paris during sunset with a small table near a window, a steaming cup of coffee, a croissant on a plate, and soft golden lights streaming in. So by the way, I have created these prompts by the help of ChatGPT, and you can explain to ChatGPT, and it can generate these three kind of complexion-based prompts for you for the image generation. So this is Pro model. If you want to use Max model, everyone is available here. So let's copy paste this prompt and let's see. And also, it's giving the four options. So for the sake of this video, I'll go for the four options. And for the aspect ratio, I think 16.9 is fine for this. So yeah, let's go. So you can see it already generated the four pictures. You can see how quickly it generated a picture. And you can again see the pictures, a photorealistic image of a cozy coffee shop in Paris during sunset. It's sunset time in every picture, You can see the coffee, we can see the croissant with a coffee table near a window steaming coffee. Of course, in every picture, the coffee is steaming, croissant plate and soft golden light. Wow. Let's see I think last and first picture is like the best one. So it's a, high quality picture. You can see the details on this glass also, it's not like unrealistic. We can see some reflection, some spots. We can see the coffee steaming, of course, this croissant, golden light, and of course, this is Paris. So nice details and very quick pictures. Of course, we can change anything from the prompting. It, in second picture, it included one more element other than coffee, so not that great compared to first. Let's see this one. I think first picture was the best of the best, you know, very nice details and all. If we want to test these pictures in the max model, because I don't want to test all kind of font in the max, because don't want to, use all of my credits. So let's test this in the max, how well it will convert it, and we can compare it to side by side. So now using max model. So pictures are better. So this is the max version picture. Please tell me in the comment, is it any better than the Pro model's picture? Because it almost take double of the credit compared to the Pro. I think this picture is more crisp. I think, I don't know. The details are nice. You can see the sun flare is very nice in this. Let's see one more picture. This is also fine, two cups. So basically, I don't know, just one picture is fine, which is like this. But fundamentally, I don't know, because sun is shining literally in middle of the from middle of the building, which is not fundamentally right. So my favorite is still this one, the first one from the Pro plan only. So yeah. All right, so let's quickly jump into our moderate level of prompt. Let's see how well it will come. So want to read it? An astronaut floating in space above Earth at night, gazing at the glowing blue planet below. The helmet visor reflects a distant galaxy field where stars. The scene is cinematic with soft glow, deep contrast, and sense of loneliness and wonder. Wow. Okay, so not using Max. For now, we'll use Pro only. Not bad. So astronaut is there. It's reflecting the galaxy also there. Astronaut floating in the space is floating, gazing the glowing blue planet. It seems to be glazing. The helmet visor reflects distant galaxy. It is with soft glow. This is not bad. This is literally like reflection. According to the prompt, it's a good. Let's see another picture. Now time for our most complex prompt, multi-layered cinematic. So a future city at dusk where glowing skyscrapers tower and narrow alleyways. So I'm not going to, read all. So let's copy and paste this and it will come up. So this is most complex, yeah, multi-layered. There are pictures, neon signs, different languages, a lone figure in a long coat backlit by holographic billboards walks through the rain-soaked street. Oh my goodness. It has generated so early. Flying cars leaves the sky or purple orange sky with massive full moon. Wow. We can see the full moon, we can see the lone figure, we can see the building, we can see the neon lights. What about we can see the flying cars? Yes. And what about holographic billboard? These are billboards, but these are not holographic. These are like normal. Okay, so this is quite different. You can see the flying cars, but other people also, using the same kind of umbrella. I think this is some kind of map. Some kind of map. So umbrella map wise, this one is more accurate, but other people also holding it. But in both pictures, I don't see an holographic image. But this area, I like especially the huge big moon, the pink and orange sky, very accurate, and these flying cars just you know in front of the moon. Picture is beautiful. How its editing works. So let me quickly take one of my picture. Let's take this picture. Okay. Now I will ask it. Let's do something interesting. Let's change these shoes. Change shoes color to red. So now okay, you will see the editing capabilities of this. Let's see. So you can see, it's very odd combination, but you can see how it's changed the my shoes color, and it's like it's not looking it's a added. It's literally the same picture. Wear a black suit. Let's see, black suit. Oh wow! So the same shoes in this picture. It follows the command that we and wow, you can see this picture and you can see this picture. Exact same face, exact body type, exact location, just change of the clothes. Wow. If you use the image context and prompt, it can do magic, and I'm still new to it. So this was my, new channel. It's my first video. I expect your support so that, if you want to support me, just please go ahead, subscribe, and like this video. I will get only better from this in coming videos. So drop the comments how do you like it and what do you say about this new image generator and everything. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.